BISSELL CleanView Compact 3508, a lightweight solution for everyday cleaning. Cleaning your home doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you have the right tools. The BISSELL CleanView Compact 3508 is a thoughtfully designed upright vacuum that combines power, convenience, and portability to handle everyday messes with ease. Boasting a 4.4-star rating from over 11,000 reviews, this vacuum has captured the hearts of users everywhere. Let's explore why it's the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. Effortless cleaning in a compact design. One of the standout features of the BISSELL CleanView Compact is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing less than 8 pounds and with dimensions of 12.5 ND by 12.5 opt by 43H, it's easy to carry, store, and maneuver. This makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where size and convenience matter. Features that make a difference: scatter-free technology. Say goodbye to frustrating mess scatter on hard floors. This vacuum's advanced scatter-free technology ensures efficient cleaning by capturing debris with minimal scatter. 2. Powerful suction. Don't let its size fool you. This vacuum is a cleaning powerhouse. With strong suction and a rotating brush, it handles dirt, dust, and debris effortlessly, delivering exceptional results on carpets and hard floors. 3. Onboard tools for versatility. The included dusting brush and crevice tool make it easy to clean delicate surfaces like furniture or hard-to-reach areas like corners. Coupled with the removable extension wand and a 23-foot power cord, you can clean above floors and across rooms without interruption. 4. Easy empty dirt bin. Disposing of collected debris is as simple as a push of a button. The easy empty dirt bin eliminates the hassle, allowing you to clean up and move on quickly. A pet-friendly purpose. When you purchase a BISSELL product, you're not just investing in a cleaner home, you're also supporting a noble cause. The BISSELL Pet Foundation works tirelessly to help save homeless pets. By choosing the CleanView Compact 3508, you contribute to this mission, making your purchase even more meaningful. Perfect for everyday cleanups. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen floor, dust on a lampshade, or dirt tracked in from outside, the BISSELL CleanView Compact is built for life's daily messes. Its lightweight frame and user-friendly features make cleaning less of a task and more of a breeze. Why choose the BISSELL CleanView Compact 3508? Lightweight and compact, easy to transport and store. Powerful suction, tackles dirt with ease. Scatter-free technology, keeps hard floors spotless. Pet-friendly mission, every purchase helps save pets. Get yours today. Ready to experience the difference? You'll find the product link in the description and in the comments section. Discover how the BISSELL CleanView Compact 3508 can simplify your cleaning routine while supporting a worthwhile cause.